back to the Multi-House Russian YouTube channel. My name's Hussain. I'm just going to share a quick recipe for pilau rice. Now, I've done one a while back which was done as a boiled rice type, so pilau rice boiled, but I'm just going to do this one how we do it at home. It's a very quick recipe, easy. Hope you enjoy watching it. I'm just going to start with some oil. We just need about 2 to 3 tablespoons oil just to fry the onions. That's all what we need. So I've got approximately 1 cup of rice, and half an onion would be more than adequate for us. Just keep the heat medium-ish so the onions will thoroughly, it's not just gone brown from the outside, it's actually cooked all the way through. I've had comments, people asking how we do the rice. Why did I do the boiled rice? I mean, why not cook it the steaming rice the way how we do it at home? Like cook the rice and let it steam. So I'm just going to show you this way as well. The other one was very quick. This is quick, but there's a few more extra steps to this rice. The onions browning nicely. Just going to add some salt to taste. Now I'm going to add some whole spices. So I've got some straw anise seed here, bay leaves, cumin seeds, coriander, black pepper goes in. Quick stir. Some turmeric. A little bit of chili powder. Because when you're browning the onions, this will give you the nice brown color. If the onions are too burnt, then you'll get a very dark color in rice and also a bitter burny taste. So onions, I'm gonna add some water now. So I've got a cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Now we let the water boil. Once it comes to a boil, then I'll add the rice. Just put the heat on full, so we want the water to boil as soon as. Please hit the subscribe button. If you can hit the like button as well, press the bell notification so you don't miss any videos, and we will try to upload more regular videos as well. Thank you so much for your encouragement and your kind feedback on all the previous videos. The water's come to a boil. I'm just going to add the rice now. A nice mix. I'll just cover the rice, and we also have these frying pans available on our website. The link will be in the description below for you to order, and we'll be having some other merch as well. If you could let me know, some t-shirts, what sort of catch lines we could put on there. I'll take your feedback on board. Thank you so much. These are all commercial grade, high quality aluminium frying pans. Just waiting for the water to kind of dry up. Once we can see the rice come to the top, and then I'll just cover it with some foil, let it steam 10 minutes or so, all ready. Now this is the stage where we need to cover the pot, let it steam, turn the gas on a really low heat, just let it kind of simmer on a very low heat. I'll just cover it up. Another 5 or 10 minutes, this will be done. The rice is almost ready, just time to check, and then we'll see the final results. That's nice. Already, we don't want it to be too soft, not too hard, just kind of in between, and the rice, it's all ready. I'll start plating. That's pilau rice ready to be served with any curry. You can eat it on its own as well, this one. And thank you so much for watching the Balti Brothers YouTube channel on behalf of all the brothers. I greatly appreciate all your kind support, feedback. Thank you for watching. See you again soon with more videos. All the best. Thank you so much.